Here's a really easy way to turn your website into an AI brain by training an AI on every single part of your business and using that to make your business an extra $100,000 every single year by saving you money and also converting more customers. This is incredibly easy to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We're going to be using the tool chatiq.ai. The link is down below. And it's going to build you a system which basically allows customers to get instant answers to questions. It allows your support team to have a database or a brain that they can discuss and they can talk to get instant replies when they're dealing with those customers, saving you valuable time when dealing with customer support, and also it can give customers recommendations. So here's how it works. Imagine, for example, you've got two aspects to your business. You've got the front end of your business, your website, where you've got your landing page, you've got your blog pages, FAQs, and product pages. And this is just stuff that's either about your product or your business or related to your product or your business. And this is all the stuff that requires that a customer needs to know before they become a customer. Something that is going to turn them into a customer is probably in one of these pages. All of the information that's going to convert those users, those visitors into customers is on these pages. So realistically, at the very least, as a business owner, we want our website visitors to be able to get access to this information as quickly as possible. The more information they have access to and the quicker they have access to it, the more likely they are to buy. And then we have the internal part of our business. And this is where we're going to save money. So this is the bit where we're going to make more money, and this is the bit where we're going to save money, right? So the internal part of our business is things that we can make more efficient, where we've got SOPs, training documents, and video tutorials. And we can categorize these things into different job roles. But for now, we're just going to put this all into support, right? All of this stuff here is customer support. It's things that are happening in your business to basically answer your customers' questions. It's the team that is responding to emails. It's the team that is getting those customers to come back and buy again. So what if that support team could get access to this information quicker? If they could actually only respond to high priority customers. And all of this was basically managed by an AI brain. Imagine the amount of time that we could save, the data that we could gather, and the amount of money that we could make from this. The AI brain is able to understand a visitor who comes into a website, work out exactly what it is that they're thinking, work out exactly what it is that they're wondering about your product, and then they can make recommendations. And then when they become a customer, the AI brain can basically support your support team. It can categorize, it can prioritize all of those customer support tickets. It can give the feedback and information, and also the support team can just basically interrogate this brain, and from that interrogation they can get instant data and instant answers to their support tickets. So they don't even need to be trained up, they don't even need to read any of this, and everything just comes through this one central database. So this is basically what we're going to be building with ChatIQ. So when you come to ChatIQ and you sign up, you can give it all sorts of data. So you can see here I've got multiple text documents, I've got my entire website's been scraped, I can upload PDF files of FAQs, and I can build multiple chatbots. And essentially this is the brain that we are creating. What we're going to do is we're going to turn all of this information by selecting it, picking and choosing it, and creating a chatbot. Now, the chatbot is going to basically act as a gatekeeper, and it's going to act as a very quick retrieval mechanism from our brain. So, for example, when somebody comes into our website, if they want to get an answer to a question, for example, I'll show you on our website. Somebody comes in and they ask, what is ChatIQ? It's able to read every single page of that website. It's able to read all of the text here. It's able to go onto our blog pages. It's able to read every single page on our blog, and it's able to use this information from every single page in its replies and in its responses. And what we can do then is use that information to guide the customer into making decisions on what they want to buy. So for example, if we were to ask, why should I use ChatIQ? It's now going to go ahead and read every page of the website, and in a matter of seconds, you can see how quickly it responds. It's going to give them reasons why they should actually sign up and start a free trial with our software. So the way that we set this up is very easy. When we come to ChatIQ, like I say, the link is down below in the description. You can start your free trial. You have 2 weeks to trial it for free, and then the lowest plan's $30 per month. But then what we can do is actually upload data. So we can, for example, we can scrape a website. Let's say we're going to scrape ChatIQ. I'm not going to do it now because I've already done it. We can then categorize this data and we can directly add it to a chatbot that we've built. If we haven't built a chatbot, we can add it later on. It's then going to go to our website and it's going to find every single page from our website. It's going to find all of that data and it's going to extract all of the text from each of those pages. Now what it's going to do is create a chatbot for us. And you can see here I've created a chatbot, and this is one that I was just discussing, I was just talking to, and it has the information about every part of our business, all of our products, all of our resources, all of our blogs, our refund policies, our every single part of the business it knows about. So now, for example, if we do an example here, and I say, can I cancel my subscription? It's going to go ahead and tell me how to do it. It says, go to the settings section in your account, navigate to manage plan, go to the pricing page and click on cancel subscription. But it also understands that as a customer, I might be frustrated by this and I might need additional support. And now it's intelligently understanding the conversation and it's going to ask if I want to submit a support ticket. So in the same place, this AI brain is not only answering customer questions, right? It's now starting to bridge the gap between the customers and people coming into the website and also our support team. So what it's doing is it's taking that information. So you can embed this chatbot into your website. You can embed it into your product. So you can put it wherever you want. And what it's doing is it's using this information, it's understanding the users and the customers, and it's telling them what is basically giving them the best process to get in contact with support. But also it's making sure not to overload the support team. So it knows, for example, if I come onto the chat and I just ask a basic question like, why should I use ChatIQ? It knows that in this case, I don't need to submit a support ticket. This stuff, by the way, is just within the dashboard for me to respond. I can edit and play with this, but it knows that I don't need to talk to support, but it can give me this answer. So now customers who would want to email in support and get this response, and if they get this response and they're happy with it, they would buy, they can now get this response in seconds from that chatbot. So like I say, it's intelligently understanding that customer. Once it submits a support ticket, it's going to do two things. It'll first categorize that support ticket, and we can actually change the categories here. Then it's going to prioritize that support ticket. So if we come into our account here, this is some test data. You can see here, this is a support ticket with a medium priority support ticket. It's given us all the information about this customer, and it's classed this as a medium priority support. This guy is being billed, and he needs some help shutting down and closing his account. But this is where it gets really powerful, because this brain is not only able to automate the support process, but it's also able to deal with the support process for us. So now, let's say, for example, this is one of your support reps. You've got, maybe you've got 3 reps. Support rep 1 would usually have to go and talk to the training documents or read the SOPs and watch some video tutorials to work out the answer to this customer's problem. But let's say, for example, all of this information, you had technical documentation or whatever that's going to help your customers. What you can now do is the support rep can come directly into the dashboard and manage this support ticket here. They just click on reply, and I've actually pre-filled this, but what we can do is we can say to the AI, please tell the customer we need their email address they signed up with. Okay, and then I'm going to send that to the AI. Then what it's going to do is it's going to read all the information about the company, and then it's going to draft a response based on that support ticket and based on the prompt that we've given the AI. So you can see here that it's obviously responding in a very easy, nice customer service voice, but it's also asked them to provide the email address associated with that account. So now this is the only bit of text that your customer support team needs to write. I can then click on send email, and I can send this to my default Gmail address, or I can just copy all of this text and just go and paste it into email, and I can respond to that email directly. And then I can close that support ticket. So now I've managed that support ticket in record time. My customers feel happy. My support team doesn't spend hours working on support tickets that aren't important and responding to basic, frequently asked questions from customers. I can automate this entire process. I can add a different chatbot to within my product. I can add it to my website, and you can see just how powerful this can be. And as time goes on, we're adding in other features. For example, we're going to add in a feature which will allow you to gather lead information as well from visitors to your website. So then the brain will be able to access all of those emails. And then from those email leads, you can then automate email follow-ups, and you can make more money. So you can convert more customers from these chats and you can save money by basically reducing the amount of time you spend on support in your business. So the software is chatiq.ai. The link is down below in the description. If you've got any other questions, let me know.